what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you.
Today we're going to look around central Reykjavik. There's a few places we want to go and visit, and we'll take you guys along for the journey. So it's nice at the moment, as you can see, so we're going to take advantage of it while we can. So let's go. So first stop, Perlen. Let's have a look. So we're in the Perlen exhibition centre, and they've got an ice cave. It's pretty cool. In fact, it's cold. It's freezing, minus 10 to 15 degrees to be exact. And let's show you guys around it. So the Perlen is quite an expensive place to get into. It's just under 4,000 Icelandic krona for the two of us to get in. But for what you get, I mean, you can see 360-degree views of the whole of Reykjavik up here. Absolutely beautiful views. Very windy, but we've seen the ice cave. There was a very good Northern Lights exhibition as well. We wasn't allowed to film that, unfortunately, but that was really good. It lasted about 25 minutes. But the views up here just make it worth the entrance fee alone. So if you're coming over here, just give it a visit. It's definitely worth it. Oh, it is windy though. Definitely worth a visit. So check out some of these views. Cold, very cold. And this is why we're not driving today. Definitely don't want to be in the mountains in this weather. All good fun. That way. It's a bit cold. Yep. Lovely. Refreshing. So we've come into the Harper Conference Centre and Concert Hall. Opened in 2011. Danish design. One of the best known landmarks in Reykjavik because of its coloured glass walls outside. Very striking inside. You can see the mirrored ceilings and everything. The guy just up there cleaning the windows, cleaning all the glass. I don't know if you could see him on camera. That's one hell of a job. So we're just going to hang around here for a little bit, just let the snow ease off just a bit, so that we can see where we're going when we're outside, because it is really picking up now. So we got snowed off yesterday and decided to go back to the room because it was just too the conditions were just too bad. We couldn't film, we couldn't see where we were walking, let alone filming. So we've come back down today, as you can see. Absolutely lovely, nice clear skies. You can see right across the water at the mountains. So we're going to finish what we started. Little walk around Reykjavik, and we'll take you guys for the ride. So let's go. So you see a lot of these scooters around the around Reykjavik, and all you do is you put your smartphone on the cradle, download the app, and it charges you for using them. It's a bit like the London bikes, the old Boris bikes, and they're all over the place. They're just left scattered around after they've been used, but pretty good cheap way to get around around the city. So worth a try if you're here. So there's the Harper conference and concert hall. That's where we ended it the other day. See all the blue glass, all the lights in there. Whale watching boats still in the harbour. We haven't had time to do that this time around. If we come back here we'll definitely do it, but incidentally, if you have a look on this boat here, Elding, they've got a website and actually diarise all of the trips that they do every day, so you always know what they've seen the previous day or the previous week. Gives you an idea of whether or not to book it up. If they're not seeing anything in a few days or a few weeks, it's probably not worth it. But if you have a look, as we've been doing, keeping an eye on there, and you see that they've been seeing whales the previous day, then yeah, definitely worth booking. So we come down to the old harbour. This is where all the ticket offices are for the whale watching, other excursions that you can book up. As I said, Elding, which is this one here, they've got the website with the diaries and everything else. Really good. I'll put the link in the description below. What's your favourite pickup line, or best one you've ever used? Put in the comments below. So if you don't see the Northern Lights while you're here, because we didn't, Can't predict the weather, so come down to Aurora, Reykjavik. They do VR Northern Light experience. Might be worth a go if you're really desperate to see them. Found this beautiful little square. We did come here the other day, but it was really snowing hard. Surrounded by restaurants, it's, English restaurants, American restaurants, Chinese restaurants, lovely old buildings. Some of it even looks almost American. Bit of a strange statue. It's it looks unfinished. Man with a briefcase with a rock for a head. If you know anything about that, let us know in the comments. I guess it's feeding time. They're a lot of happy geese. It's a lovely frozen lake here though. We've got loads of different breeds of birds all along the side. Shows you all the pictures of the birds so you can see what species you've got and things like that. Tells you a bit about them. But the beautiful lake. Definitely want to go and see. So probably the most well-known landmark in Reykjavik is the church behind me. So we're going to have a quick look inside. So this is our final stop. We're dropping the car off today. Thought we'd take a quick detour down to see a bridge. Not just any bridge. It's a bridge between two continents. So during an earthquake years ago, the tectonic plates separated, left a large fissure, and the bridge bridges the gap between the Eurasian and the American tectonic plates. So we're going to have a look at that before we head back to the airport. So let's go. It really is like being on another planet here. It really is. It's a bit of a... It's so barren, so cold, just volcanic rock everywhere, covered in snow, mountains everywhere, and it's just such a surreal environment. Very harsh conditions for anyone to live in, so that's why it's so barren and empty. So right now we're on the Eurasian plate, and then that side is North America. Well, not officially North America, but the North American tectonic plate anyway. You get the idea. Let's take a look. that's it. Now we're in on the North American plate. God, it's cold. Especially windy today. There's the fisher down here. But that's it. That's the end of the Icelandic trip. End of the journey. And we will be back. Oh, so I don't freeze to death first. We will be back in a few weeks. Although for you guys it'll probably only be a week or so. We're heading somewhere a little bit warmer. We're off to Cyprus. And we will be seeing you guys there. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you don't miss the future videos of Cyprus. Comment below your experiences of Iceland if you have any. Anything you think we've missed and should do next time we're here if we come back. And we'll see you next time. See you later.